In a realm where dreams unfold their wings, the Alpha Montage gracefully sings. Its ethereal presence steals breaths away, a celestial symphony in the night's ballet. With celestial grace, it dances and gleams, a captivating vision beyond earthly dreams. Moonlit silver and golden hues intertwine, creating a masterpiece transcending time. Within its chamber, dreams find solace and bloom, igniting passions like celestial fireworks in a room. Galaxies collide, constellations align, guiding souls to realms where fantasies intertwine. Opulence envelops a tapestry of delight, a celestial sanctuary where worries take flight. Serenity whispers through each loving embrace as cosmic secrets unfold, weaving celestial lace. Time surrenders its hold as emotions ascend in a cosmic waltz where beginnings have no end. Infinite possibilities like stars in the sky. The montage unlocks desires, bidding them to fly. Love's celestial affair, an eternal flame. Guided by stars, hearts etch their cosmic name. A masterpiece in motion beyond earthly strife. The Alpha Montage, a gateway to a celestial life. Let us embark on this enchanted affair. And the Alpha Montage, beyond compare. Forever etched in our souls, a celestial rhyme. A symphony of beauty in immortal design.